What does the U option stand for in pip install U? Despite a ton of Googling, I can't find any docs for pip's command line options/arguments. What does pip install U mean? Does anyone have a link to a list of pip's options and arguments?
Type pip install H to list help. U, upgrade all packages to the newest available version. So, if you already have a package installed, it will upgrade the package for you. Without the U switch, it'll tell you the package is already installed and exit. Each pip subcommand has its own help listing. Pip H shows you overall help, and pip subcommand H gives you help for that subcommand, such as install. You can also find the full reference documentation online. The General Options section covers switches available for every pip subcommand, while each subcommand has a separate options section to cover subcommand specific switches. See the pip install options section, for example.